Alright guys, just want to go over the Amazon trade from today. Posted this on my Twitter on Sunday, so if you guys want to take a look. But this was the tweet. Amazon daily chart, same setup as the Apple chart I posted, also forming double bottom on the daily with a hold of weekly support, looking for upside over 3330 area this week. So I've also done a video on this on Apple, guys. They were the same setup. If you haven't seen that video, go to my channel, take a look at that before you watch this one, because you'll get a better understanding of my thought process and what I was looking for on these charts, okay? So that was the Amazon tweet I sent out on Sunday if you want to take a look at my Twitter. And then this is off the members weekly list, which is sent out on a Sunday with all the plays we're looking for the week. Amazon call trigger 3330, first target 3351, and then 3415 thereafter. Same setup as Apple. We're good for this as long as they hold the wedge at 3276 area. So that was a play, guys. Let's look at the daily. So obviously we're coming up to midday on Friday the 15th, so the market is still going, but I'm recording the video now while I have time. So we was looking for the 3330 break for calls today. First target 3351, and then second target 3415. Now if you watch my previous videos, guys, this end picking tops and bottoms, that's not our job, that's not what we do. We're trying to get in for the chunk of the move on momentum as day traders and get as much money out of the market in a short space of time as we possibly can. This trade, for example, which was one of my favorites going into this week, that's why I put on my Twitter and also done a video on it. Same setup as Apple. Apple didn't trigger, this one did. Massive volume coming into it. I was watching the 5-minute chart. As soon as it triggered, it just took off. The 3350 calls that expire today on the 15th, they went from $3 to a high when I looked at them last of $4,000. So a $300 contract would have got you $4,000 last time I looked. I did look after, may have gone a bit higher, but that's not the point, guys. You aren't going to get in straight at the trigger, and you aren't going to hold it until the targets. So basically, guys, this trade went 100% straight away. Within a matter of minutes, I put it on my Twitter. I done a few tweets on Amazon today. The actual 3,350 calls went over 100% in a matter of minutes. So whether you was gun shy or you didn't want to stay in the trade, you could have doubled your money in a matter of minutes and been done with the trade, and that's good enough. From the entry to the eye of the premium when I looked last, this went 1,333%. So that doesn't mean you hold and pick the top. What it means is there was plenty of room in this from trigger to target for you to make some cash on it. Even if you got it at 100%, guys, making $350 off a trade in a 5 or 10 minutes is good enough for anyone, okay? So like I said, if you haven't seen the setup, go to my previous video and take a look. But on the notes and in the previous video, guys, I was looking for an holders 3276 area, which was the support, and I was looking for a break of this triangle, okay? So we dipped down beginning of the week, and then as soon as we started reclaiming and we come back up, this is what I was looking for. I also put in the pre-market notes this morning in the room, in our Discord room, that I liked the way it was holding the 4-hour armor. So I like the way this was holding pre-market. We had an armor, and then obviously we shot up and triggered. So that was a trade, guys. What I would do if I was new to trading or I was learning trading, I'll tell you exactly what I would do. I would take a look at the setup on my Twitter feed, or whichever setup you were seeing that's explosive at these breakout areas. I'd print them off. I wouldn't try and trade every day. I wouldn't try and trade every ticker, especially if you're trying to grow a small account or you haven't got much room for risk. And I would wait for these setups to present itself. Take a look, see if they match these setups that have gone previously, because all these patterns repeat themselves over and over. I would wait for them to come. Even if you wait in a week, 2 weeks, you could have one every day, you could have one once a month. We don't know. Wait for these patterns to present itself, and then I'd just be waiting to nail this setup every time. You don't need a lot of contracts to make money, guys, and you don't need to have massive risk. So I just want to do this video just to show you the power of options and the power of playing small. So if you bought a contract that was worth $300, you could have risked $50 or $100 even, and you could have, you know, double your account or triple your account today, no problem. These contracts when 1,333%, even if you caught 100, 200, 300% of that, it would have been a good day on one trade in about 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, guys? So take a look at my Twitter, have a look at the setup. I highly recommend you look at my previous video about Apple and Amazon going into this week, just for you to get an idea of why I like the trades, what I was looking at and the technicals of them, compare it with today, what happened, make a note of the chart or even print it out like I said, and then keep an eye out to present yourself in the future and then nail them. You don't need massive risk, guys, and you don't need massive size to make cash. Just be patient, wait for the trades to come to you, and then trail it up with your stops, make money, rinse and repeat. Hope this helps, guys. If it does, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll continue to post videos to help you guys.